If you or somebody you care about has a pending criminal case in Huntsville, Madison County, Alabama right now, during the time of all of this COVID virus stuff, there's certain things that you probably need to know. So let's talk about those things. If you have a pending court date between now and April 16 of 2020, there's a very good chance that it's going to be delayed. And that's because the Alabama Supreme Court has ordered that courts be closed for other than urgent emergency proceedings. So, if you've missed court during this period of time, you may be off the hook. You'll probably get some sort of a notice to continue your case or telling you your case has been reset. Now, there's some other things that you need to know. What happens if you or somebody you love has been arrested during this period of time? Well, the Sheriff's Department is very well aware of the situation. And so what they're doing is, in most minor matters, misdemeanors, and even less serious felonies, they're allowing people to be released without bond. In other words, they're allowing them to be released on what's called on their own recognizance. So what happens if it's a more serious charge and somebody's in jail? Obviously, if you have a bond set, you need to set the bond. If you can't afford the bond, most bonding companies will take about 10%. So you might want to get with a bonding company. If it's just too high, no matter what, you can engage the services of a lawyer who can ask a judge to lower the bond. Now, whether the judge will do it depends on the circumstances of the case. Now, the other thing is you can be doing things with the downtime between now and your court date that may help your lawyer to be better able to resolve your case in a favorable way. For example, if it's a case where you think that there's a chance that they may settle the case if you'll go to some form of counseling, you can investigate the kind of counseling options, and if it's possible to go to counseling or attend some sort of counseling, of course you can do it. Now, that may or may not be possible. Now, other things, if it's a case that involves restitution and you're able to, saving up money would be a good thing. I recognize a lot of people are out of jobs and out of work. So there's other factors that you need to think about. If you're on probation or you owe court fees or something like that, you probably want to let your lawyer know what your circumstances are, and hopefully you can avoid consequences for failing to pay or something of that nature. I'm hoping that the courts are a little bit liberal given the circumstances now. Look, we certainly hope that none of you are affected either by the virus or the court system and the implications that this may have. I think that most cases in the future are going to be delayed because we're going to have a backlog of cases. We wish you well here at Siegel & Siegel. If you need our help, give us a call. Phone number's below. Thanks for watching this video.